Hello.
Hi, Rishabh, can you hear us?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you switch on your video, please?
Yes, sir. I switched on. Yeah.
Yeah, there you are, Rishabh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, good afternoon to you, Rishabh.
Good afternoon to you, sir.
So, you are working with Capgemini.
Yes,
So, what is the location? Bangalore?
Bangalore.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Rishabh, if you can hear us, you can switch off your video so that the bandwidth is completely to the audio part so that we can
I,
hear you
I
well.
should switch off the video.
Okay, you can switch off your video, Rishabh. You can switch off so that the bandwidth comes to the audio. Otherwise, then the video is getting stuck.
Now is it okay, sir?
Now it is better. Yeah, so we can hear you more clearly.
Yes,
So
sir.
you were saying that what is the location of Capgemini?
Sir, Bangalore.
Bengaluru. Okay. So tell us about your work there. What do you do in Capgemini?
So actually, in Capgemini, I am working for a bank project as a data analyst. What we generally do is we get a self cert, and we want to try to complete it and make it a resolved customer, because we have to, being a part of a bank, we have to acquire more customers to the bank, and we have to see whether the customers has filled the document properly or not, and has given the details properly, has given his what, like, example, he has given 10 of one country, so he should give the ID card for that country as well. So we make sure that all these informations are correct, and then we process the case accordingly, sir.
So in which format you get the data?
So in the format of self cert, in a form, like there is a name, when first
Okay.
is the no common details, and in the section 3 there is signature
So
in
this is in
section.
a CSV file. This is in a CSV file or in a Word file? You
Oh
get?
well, no, not in that manner. So it's a PDF, in a PDF format.
Okay. So what do you do? So there will be a lot of unstructured data, so there will be names and all the age and everything, and income, etc.
Yes,
So
and no, not about the
to
income, sir.
copy that
We can say that onboarding process. That, for example, that.
onboarding
Yes, sir.
process. Okay. So what do you do with the data? You convert it to some other,
We actually,
format?
yes, sir. We don't convert. I will tell you that we will just make sure the data is correct. If the data is correct, then we put the data into the specific systems. There are different systems. It's Pega, Sibyl, and some screens are there where we have to put the data. And if the data is not inadequate, we have to mark it for escalation or manual letter. Depends upon the conditions.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which tool do you use for this?
Sir, Pega and Sibyl.
Sibyl. Okay.
Siebel,
Okay.
not Cibil. Generally, people confuse with that Sibyl.
Okay. Okay. This is an internal Capgemini tool, right?
No, sir, no, it's that bank's tool. It's not a Capgemini tool. We work on VDI, sir.
Okay. All right. So did you get bored with your job, Nisha?
No, sir, it's not getting bored with that. I'm joining
Okay.
it.
So
Yes, sir.
why do you want to do MBA then?
Sir, the main reason behind MBA is that I want to increase my knowledge in an overall part, sir. Being like many people tell me that I'm a go-getter, so it's just that I need to have a specific particular good information, and I can work it in a good manner. So now I have seen that how IT companies work. Now I need to know more about how the management part works, sir.
If you stay in Capgemini, you'll be promoted as a manager, right? So you have to have some patience. You don't have patience?
No, sir, it's not about the patience, sir. The thing is that, like, once a person has an MBA, he studies the internal matters, because being a manager, from to getting associate to a team lead to a getting senior team lead, an assistant manager, and then manager, it takes you more time. The being from an MBA, it takes less time. So it's not being impatient.
Rishabh,
Yes, sir.
Rishabh, we are losing your voice.
Okay, so should I connect with my other Wi-Fi? Let me connect with my other Wi-Fi, sir.
Okay, just see so that voice is not broken.
Yes, sir. Now is my voice?
Yes, you can hear you. You can hear you.
Yes, sir. So the sir, the main reason why I want to join
Sorry,
in.
sorry, no. Sorry,
Let me go full screen. So now, am I audible?
yes, you were audible. You were saying that you want to do it faster. You want to grow faster. That is why you are
Yes, sir. Yes,
interested
sir.
in it.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Okay. So, any skills that you learned in your job which will be useful for you?
Yes, sir. There are many skills, I will say. So, first skill is like,
Apart from the technical skills, so we know
okay, not from technical. Okay. So, I will say,
to go to data analysis, right? That's right. But
okay.
anything else you pick up?
As like, what will be helpful for being me as a manager in afterwards.
Yes.
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 So,
As a student, data analysis.
one thing, the main thing, I think, how first thing I understand that how the company works. That's the main thing, and how there is a teamwork, we can say, because generally we are like I told you that I work for a bank project. So in an overall full year, the burden on us is not more. It's an average burden kind of a thing. So but in the March, the burden is too high. So how we co-work with each other, and the teamwork we do, that I guess is the main lesson I've learned. How the how we have to complete the work in a specific time, the punctuality part I've learned from my cab Gemini, because generally the shift timings for all my friends were around like 9 to 9:30 to 5:30. For me it was 8:30 to 5:30, and generally we have to report it at 7:30. So punctuality, waking earlier in the morning, and yeah, the main thing is that how we have to work all together. That's the main thing, sir. Business of Capgemini. No, sir, I'm not following up the business of Capgemini.
So recently there was a talk about a merger of Capgemini and another company.
So, I'm not. So I haven't heard about that. So your voice is decreased. I don't know how.
So I was asking that as a Capgemini handling the merger of the UK and company. You know what happened?
No, sir. No, sir. I haven't heard about that merger.
Okay. So are you trying business news, Sisha?
Yes, sir.
Business news?
Business news. Yeah, little bit more of. I heard about the stock news.
Tell us some soft news, there's months. So people from the industry stock market to the invest now.
Invest now. Sir, it's I will not say. No, actually, the best time to invest in stock is today at the right time. But today it's 4:40. You can't invest today. You have to invest tomorrow at after 9:30. And first you have to open a Demat account. For me, it took around 30 days to open that Demat account. The process, because I uploaded all the documents, and after 30 days they replied that yes, your Demat account is working fine, and if we can go with the stocks.
That's a lot of money.
Yes, sir.
So if I then demand account is suspended, then we should not invest this stock.
No, sir. In the start only, in the just the starting. After that, one person can earn a lot through stocks, sir.
So I got the stocks also go down very sharply. Investing in investment,
Yes, bank, sir. Um, so you are, sir. So you're talking about the Yes Bank share. So I have invested in that as well. When the share was around, I guess 15, approximately. So now it's 16.4. So have a person invested around it's like a week before I've invested in around at 15, and now it's 16.4. So if a person is invested around 15,000 in it, so now it's 16,400. So it's approximately 10% in a week, and that's, I guess, is a good stock. Then I'm talking, not talking it is a long term share, but I think short term we can trade in Yes Bank as well. Hello. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, Rishabh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hi Rishabh.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. So, Rishabh, tell me some key point, the budget that is proposed by government this year.
Sir, the main budget was focused on healthcare, and for healthcare, it has given around 2 lakh crore. For bank, it has given around 20,000 crores, and it has given around, I guess, 60,000 crore to infrastructure, including roads, and yeah, sir, that's the key points I can tell you.
So, what is the percentage of GDP that is spent by the government on healthcare?
Sir, I have no idea about the percentage.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Rishabh, which area of specialization you are looking for in PGM program?
Sir, basically financial.
you're looking for finance. So you told, right, you have an interest in share market and all.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you invest your amount in a share market,
Yes, sir.
I mean, what are the key points you always look for? How you identify, which company is it will be profitable in future? If I ask one or two key points, you can tell us.
Sir, the one and the main thing is I have what I have understood and what I have learned from many people, that invest in the company you believe in. For example, sir, DMart. For each month we go to DMart and we buy so we can buy stocks for DMart. So actually, I am earning profit from DMart share. Yes, sir. So for example, if
Oh,
I have
very good. Congratulations, Rishabh.
Sir, I have one more, like, for example, I have my credit card of HDFC Bank. The day I bought the HDFC credit card, the day, no, not that day, but once my Demat account was opened, after that I bought the HDFC shares and I am profitable in that as well. So, in
Very good.
yes, sir. So the shares I believe, like the company I believe in, yes, sir.
Rishabh, which one are you going to buy now? So please tell us in advance, and then we will also buy.
Yes, sir.
Any card, any car you are planning to buy.
Sir, I will tell you one thing, sir. There is a share called Majesco, Majesco. So it's in
Majesco.
it's in a loop of 4.98% daily.
Like Majesco?
Yes, sir. It's an awesome share, awesome. You can invest in tomorrow,
What is the price of Majesco now?
sir. Around 68, 69,
What is the price of Majesco?
68, 69, sir, approximately.
68.
Yes, sir. Penny stock. It's kind of penny stock.
I've heard that Majesco has sold its business. I've heard that Majesco has sold its entire business.
No, sir. I haven't heard about that. So in this share,
No, just go and see now. Majesco has sold its business.
sir.
Majesco has sold its business. Go and see.
Now, so should I check it now?
So why the stock price should, later on, not in an interview. I'm
Okay.
saying Majesco has sold its business. So why is there a share
So,
price
sir,
should be zero?
sir, one of the rule which I told him, the other interviewer, sir, that was that if you believe in the company. So for the Majesco, actually, what the thing was, the share was around 1,000 rupees and the around 1,000 or 990, and the person gave a dividend of 975, and it and the share get down to 15 rupees, and after that it got in a loop of 4.98% daily, and till today.
Okay. Rishabh, you have any question with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rishabh. Rishabh, you have any question with us?
Yes, sir, I have.
Rishabh,
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Rishabh, you want to ask something?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, my question is that when can I expect the results of this interview?
Rishabh, we are not able to hear you.
Again.
Okay. So, Rishabh, you have any question with us?
Yes, sir, I have. Yes, sir, I have. So now am I audible?
Yeah, Rishabh, you
Yes.
can ask a question.
Yes, sir. My question is,
Little tight. Can you ask your question fastly?
yes, sir. My question is that when can I expect the result of this interview?
I think admission team can tell you. The admissions team will contact you regarding that, right?
Like any approximate time in any March, April, or in February? No?
So exactly, in the brochure there is some numbers are given, and probably the admission team is, the responsible for all those things, Rishabh.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
so
sir.
much, Rishabh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Should I leave, sir?
Yes, please.
Thank you. It's done.